It's Arnie from Analyze the Trade, and today I want to look at CVX, Chevron, okay, big oil name. They have a dividend also, and I want to zoom out to a weekly chart, okay? So this is a weekly, each bar is a week, and you can see that this has just, broken out, and it still has some momentum. If you look down at MACD and TTM, you see that there's momentum left in this name. And of course, just from a macro level, as we come into winter, that usually gives the oil names a boost. And add to that the conflict in Russia-Ukraine, which doesn't seem to be ending anytime soon, and the ongoing tensions with Russia, so that shortage in the Russian gas supply, and you've got a perfect macro storm for these oil names, oil and gas, Chevron. So let's go down to the daily, and again, you're going to see a breakout. Just yesterday, the stock was up a bit. It had been up to almost 2 points, and then especially when the news about that missile hitting a village in Poland, that really made these oil names spike. Then they pulled back a little bit, but they're still holding up, and you can see MACD is turning up a bit, and the momentum is sort of coming out of the name, but this still has some room to go, and there's some decent volume, not like we had back then, but there's decent volume. So this the all-time high was 190.49. So it's got a little bit of more room to run, and it can easily break through that level and head higher, market participating. Now let's go down to a 4 hour. Same picture. Here we're seeing a little bit, maybe a little bit of a slowing down of the momentum, but still there's a lot of volume coming into the upside. So if you believe in the macro story, which looks really good for the big oil gas names, this is an hourly chart, and you see it has a lot of volume here around the 188.17 level. So it's right around where the stock is trading now. It has some resistance. Okay, so it might stall here, or it might keep going, move higher. So this is certainly not a recommendation. You can make your own decisions based on what you feel, but it looks like these oil and gas names, especially Chevron, could move higher.